I am afraid that I am not going to be making any earth-shaking announcements today.
We are still putting the finishing touches already on our planned involvement in the 2016 election. We have been in discussions nga with hindi lamang mga individual candidates kundi pati ang mga parties at iba't ibang grupo. So malapit na nga maayos ang aming usapan. Within the next week, siguro we will be able to makapag-announce na. Lahat. You name it. I'm talking to them. Also, yes, we're talking to my friend the mayor, and we are trying to determine kung ano bang gusto niyang plano, kung ano ba talaga ang gusto niyang gawin. Sa ngayon parang hindi pa siya nakakapag-decide. So that's another undetermined variable. So
sabihin ni Mayor Duterte na tatakbo siya, malaking factor ba yun, sir?
Mas matimbang mas.
I don't know how to say kung malaki o maliit, but yeah, it's part of the. Siyempre magbabago ang political landscape, hindi ba pagka pumasok siya. So that's of course going to be part of the assessment. Right now, as I said, we are talking with the different groups about a higher office.